There's been so much rain hitting the farmland up in Indiana, and we're standing on top of a culvert here. The road goes back to the back of the farm, and the water comes through this culvert and into a wheat field. And as you can imagine, heavy rains and farming don't go well together. So we had to clean out the sediment that was underneath this pipe, as well as repatch some of the disjointed pipes inside. Once the ditch was dug, we rolled out the sides of this ditch in order to prevent further erosion and to allow the water to properly flow from one side of the culvert to the other. Once everything was repaired, we were able to put concrete from the top on the pipe, as well as backfill that washout in the road. Then when we were completed, we had a proper means for the water to flow out of that culvert and not stress the piping underneath the road. And we seeded and straw covered this bare ground to stabilize it for the next rain. Now, I don't necessarily have a picture of it here, but we also were adding riprap around the culvert here to slow down the water as it poured out into the wheat field. So Buck Outdoors is not only providing stormwater solutions in the cities of upstate South Carolina, but in the rural parts of Indiana.